Welcome back to Honest Food Reviews here on the channel. So today we have a very special product from Trader Joe's. This one is actually really interesting. This one really caught my eye at the checkout. It's called root beer float pieces. It's about 140 calories for 4 pieces. We're gonna give this a taste test. Does it taste like root beer? Does it taste like candy? And do I recommend it? Let's give it a taste test. Every time I tried anything from Trader Joe's, I never left disappointed. So I highly doubt that this will leave me disappointed as well. Oh my god, this already smells like root beer. Has the aroma, it's not overpowering, just the right consistency, the right smell. It really smells like root beer. Oh, this looks amazing, look at this. You can really see the taste and the texture. I don't know if it's gonna crackle, it looks like it's possibly crackle, so let's give it a taste test. So as you can see, this is what it looks like on the camera, trying to focus it the best I could. Wow. This tastes like root beer. It's very light. It's not too strong. It's not too powerful. It's the perfect amount. In terms of the actual overall piece of the chocolate or candy, I don't even know what it is, but it's really good. It has a wafer in it, a little bit of a cream. You definitely feel some of the root beer flavor popping candy that's in your mouth. My mouth is watering as I'm speaking. It actually tastes very similar to butterscotch with some cream with the wafers. In terms of floatability, would I buy this again? I would not, unfortunately, because it is so strong. In terms of sugar-wise, in terms of sweetness level, it's really strong. I would not buy this again, personally speaking. But in terms of floatability, I would rate this about 8 out of 10. And in terms of flavor and taste, it's identical to what it's claimed to be and what it tastes like. If you like root beer, I love root beer, but if you like candy and you love sweetness, this is ideal for you. But for me, somebody who just doesn't like overpowering of everything, all at once, it kind of overpowers your taste buds. This is not what I would recommend if you don't like overpowering, but if you like a lot of sweetness and sugar overall, then I would highly recommend this. It's really an amazing experience, but I don't see myself eating more than one of these, which is nice because at least I know I won't be getting myself sick or anything at all. But really great products overall. So personally for me, it is not my taste, not something I prefer personally. But if you like sweetness, you love root beer, recommend. Check it out at your local Trader Joe's.